counted the cost it'll take to bring down all the earthly principles they're gonna have to abandon. And they're slow. Yes, there's a slow train coming. I had a woman down in Alabama. She was a backwoods girl, but she sure was realistic. She said, boy, without a doubt, have to quit your messing and straighten out. You can die down here, be another accident statistic. And it's slow. Yes, there's a slow train coming. Man's ego's inflated, his laws are outdated. You can't rely no more just to be standing around and waiting. They say to lose your inhibitions, follow your own ambition. They talk about a life of brotherly love. Show me someone who knows how to live it. And that's slow. That's a slow train. When my baby went to